Good morning, students. Welcome to this strategic management online class. So today, what we are going to discuss is corporate governance and social responsibility. Very important topic in strategic management, as well as important topic for your university examination point of view also. So here, corporate governance and social responsibility we are going to see today. So first we will discuss what is mean by corporate governance. So corporate governance is a system. It is a structure which companies are directed and which companies are controlled. Corporate governance is a system or it is a structure whereby the companies are directed or the companies are controlled. So, who are responsible for directing and controlling these companies means the board of directors of a company is a sole responsible for this direction as well as controlling. So, corporate governance is a system, it is a setup of a structure whereby how companies are directed towards the organizational goal and how companies are controlling. Who is responsible means the board of directors are responsible for the governance of their own companies. So, then what is the role of the shareholders? The role of shareholders in a company is to appoint the directors, that means to appoint the board of directors as well as auditors. The role of board of director is to govern the company, to control and direct the company. The role of stakeholder is to appoint the board of directors and auditors, and also the role of shareholder is to satisfy themselves for an appropriate governance structure in a particular place. So this is what the meaning of corporate governance. So this corporate governance is also concerned with the balancing between two goals. Corporate governance is also concerned, is also holding the balance between the two goals, namely economic goals and social goals. And also this corporate governance have to hold a balance between the individual goals and communal goals. So social goals, economic goals, individual goals as well as communal goals have to balanced by the corporate governance. So this corporate governance is also focuses on the actions of corporations and the board of directors towards the shareholders and the other stakeholders. So corporate governance is concerned with holding a balance between economic goal and social goal, and also holding a balance between individual goals and communal goals. This corporate governance also focuses on the actions of corporations, that means company, and also focuses on the actions of board towards the welfare of shareholders and the other stakeholders. So this both corporate governance as well as corporate social responsibility focuses on the ethical practices what happening in the business. Ethical practices, not business practices. This corporate governance and corporate social responsibility CSR focuses on the ethical practices following in the business, and also this corporate governance and social responsibility having a response in an organization to its stakeholders and the business environment in which operating it. So following the ethical practices, having responsiveness of an organization to their stakeholders and environment through which it's operating. So this corporate governance and corporate social responsibility result into better image of an organization, have to develop the brand image of the organization. So this brand image of the organization is directly reflecting the performance of an organization among the customer as well as among the competitors as well as among the customers. So this corporate governance and corporate social responsibility are very very important for all the enterprises. When a company which is having strong system, strong governance system, strong framed structure in which the companies are directing and controlling, means automatically the brand image, the performance of the company day by day will increase in a better manner. So when governance itself failing, means automatically the system also collapsed. So corporate governance is a structure of framed system through which how the companies are directing, how the companies are moving towards the vision and mission, how the companies are directing towards the objective and goals, how the companies are controlling means measuring the performance of the company. If structure are very good, automatically we can attain the goal in a easier manner. The desired performance which is equal to the actual performance, we can attain the desired performance. When the governance, when the system is, it is not in the structured manner, means automatically we are not focusing our actions towards the organizational goal. So automatically our performance may be declined, we are failed to perform our interest. So this corporate governance is very very important for handling the direction as well as controlling of a company. We have to follow some ethical practices. So this corporate governance, board of directors are responsible, shareholders are responsible for appoint the directors and auditors of a company. So this corporate governance concerned with the balancing between economic and social goal and also balancing between the individual and communal goal. So this is the corporate governance meaning and its explanation. So in next video we can discuss about the social responsibility. Thank you very much.